Good morning, guys. Welcome to a new vlog. Today I'm starting my vlog right here. Beautiful morning on a Sunday. Yeah, it's on a Sunday. Excited to bring to you this amazing vlog, guys, because today I'm going for a hunt for some fruits. So one thing about me is that I love some good fruits. And whilst I'm in Morocco, I've not really gone for a good hunt for some fruits. And I'm gonna go check out some supermarkets, some local vendors, some street vendors to see if I can get some good fruits. And I'm gonna take you with me. But first, I promised you guys a quick room tour because I am at this beautiful place. Left the old Riyadh, now I'm in this beautiful place. It's called Amani Hotel. I got this as my view. Look at that. It's right now 9 in the morning and the sun is beautifully shining. Look at that. So what about if I take you inside and show you guys inside, because this is amazing. So let's start from here because you got like a tiny balcony which fits like 1 or 2 people. But let's go inside and check it out. You start from here and boom. This is the balcony I was standing in. It's really tiny, but it does the work. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Because when the sun sets, oh my days, it's a beautiful place to watch. So once you come in, you got your small, like a dresser, or I don't know what you can call that down there. You got a small seat. They got a fridge in this one, which is amazing. The rear did not have that, but this one is amazing. Let me see if there's anything inside, by the way. I've not even opened the fridge. Oh, you got water in there. Okay. Got water in there, and that's it. A place to place your luggage. They've got a telly. And once you look at that, it's the exit down there. You got your wardrobe here with a few items in there. I've already unpacked because I'm gonna be here for like 3 nights. So, and then down here you got bed, big king size bed, and that fits like 2 people. And you got like a small, like a night shelf here. I got my book ready down there, and yeah, big mirror, wall mirror. And they got the AC up here too, which is amazing. And once you go like this on this side, we got the exit. I love the beautiful pictures, by the way. This is amazing. They got one here and they got one right up here. And actually, this is the old Medina photos. Old Marrakech. They also got one up there. So from the exit, this is where you enter. You got the blue, just a simple toilet, really, with all you need. And you got the bathtub, which is amazing, And you know what I love about like this toilet most is this, the bidets. Oh my days. Does miracles, guys. It does miracles. Cleans everything out, as you would know. But all right, let's go on. And yeah, once you got the exit, we got a terrace up there, which I will take you at the end of the day or in the next vlog, or maybe in this one, maybe at the end. But this is amazing. This is a room tour, a quick room tour in Amani Hotel. It's a king size room tour or something like that. I don't know what it's called, but it's like it got these views which are amazing. All right, guys, let's hit the road. So a quick stop at this lovely local shop to see what kind of fruits they have. It looks like mad lots, but let's check it out. Interested what they got. So I got myself a few things in there. I'm gonna quickly show you once I get home. And I'm heading off to the second place, supermarket now. So that's one of the local supermarkets, or the street vendors, I would say. Now heading to the real supermarket. Alright, I'm gonna catch you once I'm there. And this is the supermarket now. Lots of varieties of fruits. Look at all this. I'm buzzing. Alright, let's go with the dragon fruit. That's for sure. We'll try out all this. Oh my days. Look at the yellow watermelons here. Oh my days. Look, more fruits out here. Wow, more options. Alright, let's dig in. I will show you later what I got already. Plus, of course, this. All this I just got from here. All fruits. I'm gonna quickly pay and then pack it all up and head home. I'll show you once I get there. Let's go. I got some of the best fruits ever on this hunt. Amazing place, got lots of options. I'll catch you once I get there. So guys, a quick stop at this beautiful restaurant to grab something to eat because I am famished. I'm hungry, a little peckish, but I still gotta look at my watch because football starts in 30 minutes. So I hope I'm gonna quickly rush and get back home on time. So I love the way they always serve you first the bread and some water. There we go. Alright guys, before we go anywhere, you already know, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. Alright, let's get into it. Look at that. Some Moroccan salad and some tangine with bread, of course. Let's dig in. Alright guys, it's about that time. Oh, let me clean my lens. Yeah, much better. So, I got all the fruits here. So these ones I got them from the local vendor, street vendors. It's just a few fruits, and actually, you know what? I'm gonna quickly show you. I'm gonna go with my right hand and take it out. So I got a few of this one and the avocados. So in total, I got me like 3 of these and 2 avocados. So I put that on the side, and then the big bag I got them from the supermarket. Oh my days, these things good, like so many options. So what I got here with the name on there and the pricing, by the way. So this one, actually I got them for like a bunch, for like 20 dirham, all of them 20, and this one is at 26 for the 2 that are in there, and this one is a mixture. So it's a mixture of the I got, I think, 1 avocado, yeah, I think 1 in there. I got the tamarillo also, and I also got granadilla. Put that on the side. I got a few of those. Put that on the side. Oh, this one was leaking in the bag.
I got a few of this, which I'm gonna put in the fridge straight away. I want to eat them cold. All right, there's a few more. So I got the dragon fruit, which is my favorite really. It's 83 dirham, just one dragon fruit, 83 dirham. All right, I got me pineapple juice with some orange in there, and that was 50 dirham. And I got this avocado, just one for 25. I got three prune, locally produced, and I got some kiwis in here for 25, which is actually reasonable price, and the papaya for 32 dirhams. And that was it. That's all the fruits I went for the fruit hunting I got. So I'm gonna put them in the fridge and I'm gonna try out some.
So as promised, terrace view. Look at that. Beautiful. This is my daily views for this hotel. It's just such a stunning hotel, and the location is amazing because you got like shops down there, you got the mall down there, you even got like a basketball court down here. Look at that. It's like you cross the road and you're there. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Alright guys, ending the vlog from here. Catch you on the next one. Don't forget, big count to another. Peace.